Hi vlog. So my name is Natasha and welcome to Nat Tale. So this is my first ever vlog that I will be posting on my channel. And this vlog you will be coming with me to Ratnagiri, which is hometown to many Konkan resident. And Ratnagiri is about 270 kilometers north from Goa and about 300 kilometers or 5 hours by train from Mumbai to Ratnagiri. So this is a road trip for me. So you make sure you sit back, enjoy the video, and make sure that you like, comment, and share the video as well. Moria, Moria. So we are just like few minutes away from Chiploon, and actually this is the middle of month May, and whereas in May it is supposed to be like very heat and summer in the month of May in this region, but it is so rare to see that it had rained in this area, and it was have raining very heavily for 1 week. So see the atmosphere here around so far, it is so amazing and it is so fresh. I can't believe that I'm actually in somewhere middle of the. Very good morning to you all, and here I have come on the hill, and we will be going to Kolisare right now in the Lakshmi Keshav temple. So see here our atmosphere. So let's talk about the mandir. So the idol which is in the mandir, that is known as Lakshmi Keshav. It is actually idol which was found under the Ranakala lake, which is in Kolhapur, and one person who wanted to have that idol a separate temple had brought here somewhere around 1510 AD, and this mandir is actually ancestor temple to three family, which is surnamed Joshi, Vichare, and Kane. And this temple originally had only one small temple with like a small roof over, but now it has expanded. It has its own Ganesha Mandir over here. It has its own Hanuman Mandir over here, and it has a homestay over here, and there are many such facilities around. This temple is situated, I mean, it is located in the valley. You can see this mountain area over here, and it is very down deep there. And I shall show you the river down. It's something about this water. So this water is coming from the directly from the mountain. It's a kind of peak or creek something, and it is actually the temple is situated in the valley. It is actually in the covered by the mountains, and it is exactly in the middle. So this water comes from the mountain and is so pure, so clear that I can differentiate the water from the normal water that we consume every day. So this water is so fresh, so pure, and I can show you it is so clear. You can directly come from the mountain and it's good.